acknowledge the presence of the Almighty God in our midst. His Majesty, King Tabora VI, the patron of the Tonga College Old Boys Association, the guest of honor in today's praise-giving ceremony, His Serene Highness, Prince Tungi, the President of the Tonga College ex-students, nobles of the realm, ministers of the cabinet, Reverend Tongatapu, and members of the clergy, katoa kilopauka mea, mafi toki manamaui, taimi folau, and the gatekeepers of Funga Manamaui, the Minister of Education and Chief Executive Officer of the Ministry of Education and Training, distinguished guests, parents, teachers, students. It is with great pleasure that I have been given the role of being the Master of Ceremony this morning, and now, with no further ado, we will commence the Tonga College prize-giving ceremony for the academic year 2019. The first hymn for this morning will be spelled out by the head prefect, Mafi Toki Manamaui of 2019, Mr. Feleti for Night for All, Likitui Halatuafa. The school chaplain, Reverend Tongatapu, will then conduct the opening prayer, to be followed by the Lord's Prayer, which is to be conducted by the school brass band. The head boy with the first hymn.
Our first hymn for the College 2019 graduation ceremony is taken from hymn 95. To God be the glory. Please, may you all rise. To God be the glory, great thing he has done. So loved he the world that he gave us his Son, who healed his Son in atonement for sin, and opened the life gate that we may go in. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Let the earth hear his voice. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Let the people rejoice. O come to the Father through Jesus the Son, and give him the glory, great thing he has done. Great thing he has taught us, great thing he has done, and great our rejoicing through Jesus the Son. But purer and higher and greater will be our wonder, our rapture, when Jesus we see. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Let the earth hear his voice. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Let the people rejoice. O come to the Father through Jesus the Son, and give him the glory, great thing he has done.
tau lotu. E ia Fiona, ko Sihova, ko o tua betaha, pea ko e malu anga o Tonga. Ai awhi Fiona ko mau amanaki anga. He nā ke fuaki mai ho alo tofu betaha ko Sisu Klais. O ne whepaki tu upe mo e kovi o mamani. Pea nā ne foki hake kua lava. Tu, iai e kakai nei kuna. Ko e kau mafi he ngahi whanua. A ko e mata o hono kau toa. Ko Sisu Klaisia ne mate mātonga. Ai awhi Fiona, o kuke turimui pia tangi ke whiohi. Io, he koe ofa anga o e Koristonga. Kua wheia me loto tatauna e tauhi, pia mo e tataki, pia moho mau malui, pia mau lave monu, i e aho whakakoloa koeni. Langi maari e pea langi lele ia mana mo ui. Koe uhi e koe a Fiona, aho no taukei. Fakafeta'i e kulau maari e lele, ai tamasi, whakalangi langi o e aho. Palestini, lahi o e Koristu tuku e Koristonga, e ako homau o whaanga. Fakafeta'i e ukei alo maari e mea kotoa pe he kere eiki koeni. O ku teu iai hakau tangata ke nauri o a mātonga. Fongo fonga ola e tapa kotoa pe Sekretari e Koristu tuku ka o mai si kau pou i he pataloni o e aho. O maa foki taimi folau mo e kau tangata. O ku kei puke a fufula, ai mau luta, o e api ko Atele. Fakafeta'i e kuongo maari e, ai kautaha e, ngahi mātu apea mo e mau kau whai ako, kau ngau e, hunga ko toa pe, me he pure ako kau maasi ona tokoni, e ge ongo tiu talahi, maftoki mana mo ui o au, ki he si taha, o ku mau puke a fufula, ai mau luta, o e whatongia ku ohi, i e o hinga ko e whatu e whae, manawa koula, mana mo ui pe mo e Koristonga, pea ku mau Fakafeta'i atu ki he a Fiona. E ki whakamore ko e mau whakawhi atu ki hoa whio tau kātoanga mua. Ange e ko e ke ilangi maa e whuka o ku ke i viringi a. O ke ila ko e whie lelea e ne a Fio tupo wono, ka o mai tahine kuini. Pea ku ke i a Fio e a Fiona, ko e whakamaunga o e ki i whanua ko eni. O e ki pe moe, ka kai ko toa pe ho mau ki i whanua, na o mea mai, ki he whakamao po e tau e Koristonga i he tau wanoa taha hiwa. Mau te kaki atu e ke kātoanga ko eni, tau kaunga kātoanga mo fia pe moe a Fiona. Ka maa po ai mea ko toa pe, te waki ki he Christmas, pe mohono merino mohono fia, pea pe ke whakao singa o he tau ko eni. Ka more e ki taki pe whanonga ka mau Moimoi. Whakaongo atu koe haho whinangalo, kei monu ia e pea Koristonga o tuputupua, koe uhi koe a Fiona. Whai a me langina ha mau tāpuak, pa ke whakakato mai lotu mo huok mau whai, ia Sisu Klais ko ho alo, ngā ko mau eiki mo mau whakamo ui. Amen.
Your Serene Highness, Prince Tungi, ladies and gentlemen, let us now hear the welcoming address delivered by the senior tutor of the school, Mr. Kefufonua, to be followed by an item from the school brass band. The title of the number is called Christmas Joy, composed by Eric Leisen. But now, the welcoming address, Mr. Kefufonua.
Tapu moe muniwalu o e ope. O kutokai mananga ho taulo Tonga. Tapu moe la o Tonga. Kingi tupo uono. Tapu moe tama pilinisi whaka lewa. His Serene Highness Pilinisi Tungi. Koe whakalangi o e aho. Tapu mo kere tupu a Manamaui. Tapu mo eki pale mia o Tonga. Tapu mo eki minista o Iako. Peke CEO e potunga oe. Iako. Mo kau tokon tare kita. Tapu mo whaifekau o whatongia e aho. Tapu mo e hau eiki tutuku mate mātonga ko toa pe. Tapu mo sea o i PTA. Pia mangahi mātua tau whanau. Mangahi tunga ko toa pe o ku whaafakatapua. Kai ata ke motuani. Ke uwhaafofongai ai pure ako. Mafto ki Manamaui. Mo e kau ngawe ko toa pe o Koristonga. I ono taritari, mo e loto haka he lang ko tau. Ai feitu una, tama Pilinisi Tungi, i o to e mea mai, ke whakakoroa e Koristonga he ahoni. Mo whakalangilangi, ai Tanaki tuunga e whanau wako Koristonga, ke tau wafe tahiwa. Tama Pilinisi, kua na panga maari a Manamaui he ahoni. Pia moni e rea, kua kai ai pe manuaiwai, he whangota e rurutai. Tau Fakafeta'i pe ke o tua mafi, e ukei tupe mo lau, ai whatongia te utangata, ai Koristonga. E uku teu ia tamasi Koristonga, ke kakato. Whakasino, whakatamai, mo whalau maarie. Kene riaki mo ui, mai moto o tau whanua. Koe o tua motonga, ko hukutowhia. He ka riaki mo ui ai tamasi Koristonga, mai o tua, koe toki tonuia, e tau moto, koe mate mātonga. Tama Pilinisi. O ko whakatawange ke mei te pemua ai wheituna ke ahoni mono polo kalama. Pia ka iai ha merenga i kai tuha mo aho. O ko ukore ke hufanga i he keresi ai Pilinisi o lotolangi. Na e hifoaki mai ai merino. Ke ne whai ho mau whakakakato. O whaketau mau hakatoanga Tanaki tuunga fia mo ikuna foki. Pia ka hiri ai kātoanga o e ahoni, pia ofa ke tau mau, ka Christmas fia, pe ke tau fo fontapu e kina, tu ofa e ki atu.
Malolahi atu ki he iwi ai Kolisi, I hono lawarele, I hono whakahoko e whasi ko ia. Your Serene Highness, ladies and gentlemen, let us now move on to the next part of our program. I would like to now kindly invite the acting principal of the school, Mrs. Taisia Ma'u, to present the school annual report. This will be followed by a number by the school choir, and a song that will be performed by the choir is taken from one of George Frederick Handel's famous album, The Messiah, and the title of the song, And the Glory of the Lord. But now, let us hear from the acting principal, Mrs. Taisia Ma'u.
Tapa mo ya fio e tai hamai o ne tokai mananga he ot ferenite. Tap mo king tupo ono mo fale ha mo he ofo. Tap mo plinis tungi ko palestine lahi ka ta tutu ko Tonga. Ka ko frafe fralanglangi o ka toanga tanak tunga ko Tonga ki tau wanoa tahiva. Tapa mo hoei ko fonua katoa ki lo pau ka mea, mafto ki mana mo ui mo haa tau whanua. Tap mo e whai whekau mo haa lotu. O ko whamalumalu he top tapu e whanua, kai whahoko atu, ai ripoti, o e tau whahako wanoa tahaiwa. Tama plinis tungi. Whatatau ke tuunga, o e mahu inga mo ui e whanua, o ko kore atu. Ko ripot kakato ai pure ako, ko o spaki atuia I magasin whatau e Kolisi ke wanoa tahaiwa. Ka neongo ia, te whahoko ko ngalalahi atu pe ai ripoti, pe ako o kore atu, ke whai atu mo aia I he lea Whapritania. I highly acknowledge the presence of the Almighty in our midst today. Your Serene Highness Prince Tungi, the guest of honor for the Tonga College Annual Prize Giving Ceremony for 2019, and the President of the Tonga College All Boys Association. Honorable Siausi Ofakiwa Folau Sovaleni, the Minister of Education and Training. Daim Folau, the Vice President of the Tonga College All Boys Association. Sione Angake Tafuna, the President of the Tonga College Parents and Teachers Association. Mr. Ponepate Tansila, Deputy Chief Executive Officer of the Learning and Teaching Division of the Ministry of Education and Training. Reverend Daniela Tamo'ua and members of the clergy, distinguished guests, parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Warm greetings from Tonga College. Me kere kere o funga mana mo'ui, pe me he sia o fine tengalele. It is my pleasure and honor once again to report on the progress and development of academia at Tonga College for the academic year 2019. At the beginning of the year, the then Minister of Education, Honorable Pensimani Epenisa Fifita, stated the Ministry of Education and Training's theme for the year as Talangofua Kiasiso. The school reiterates its motto, Mate Matonga, since its establishment together with the ministry's mission and vision. Students are encouraged and expected to live and abide by the 4 core values of respect, whakaapa-apa, nurturing relationship, tauhiwa, humility, lototo, and loyalty, mamahimea. As Martin Luther King Jr. said, that the function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. The school role. The school started the year with 994 students, and along the way, some had decided to move on with life, some had been transferred to other schools due to parental choices, some had seen greener grasses overseas, and today we close this academic year with 884 students. The faculty. The faculty consists of the principal, 2 deputy principals, and 2 senior tutors at administration. Of the teaching staff, there are 64 staff members and 6 ancillary staff, including the clerk, a computer operator, the cook, 2 drivers, and the farm manager. The school also employs 2 night watchmen. This year, we were happy to welcome 18 new teachers to the school. The school was also happy to welcome 4 professional teachers from Liao Chen University in China under the Chinese Education Aid Program. Professor Yan Yan Tui, Dr. Kang, pioneering the teaching of the Chinese language, and Professor Ti and Dr. Lele in the teaching of vegetable growing in agricultural science. The school is very fortunate to be part of this Chinese aid program, and we will nurture this working relationship for many years to come. And today, we will farewell them as they will be returning to China next week. Academia. Academia continues to be the school's sole initiative and drive, and we are hopeful that the current and future students of this school will continue to become the best in their performances and efforts. The school had the usual 4 terms and continued to undertake the syllabus prescribed by the Ministry of Education for each subject offered at Forms 1 to 7. 132 students set the Tonga School Certificate Examination, 76 students set the Tonga Form 6 Certificate Examination, and 64 students set the Tonga National Form 7 Certificate. We are looking forward to great results from these students in January in order to uphold the excellent results achieved from the national examinations in 2018. As now widely publicized, the national examination seeks to align to the Solo taxonomy, and the school also aligned examination performances likewise. The reports for the mid-year and final examinations are distributed to parents, and there is also the emphasis on students achieving their best and the staff to cater for this achievement on their part. The school continues to offer optional subjects for students beginning in Form 3, and these subjects also include the foreign languages of Japanese and Chinese, in which we offered for the first time for the Chinese language. And those students who are taking this new subject will be the pioneers of the Chinese language here in Tonga College. These foreign languages also hosted their own international days, such as the Chinese and Japanese language days, and our students had taken part in the Japanese speech competition and calligraphy, and the representatives from Tonga College had won first prize for Form 3 and Form 5 writing competition. The technical program. The technical program with Manukau Institute of Technology is still ongoing, with 93 students enrolled at the beginning of the year. 42 students graduated this year with a certificate in technical and vocational skills level 2, and hopefully they will continue on to TIST in 2020. Student leadership. 35 prefects were selected to serve at the school for 2019, and the highlight of this prestigious leadership role, as always, is the election of Mafi Toki Manamo'ui, which was bestowed upon Mr. Feleti Whanau Ifo'o Likitui Halatoafa. The 2 deputy head boys are Mr. Sione Kasmea Milaniume Fo'o Falakalakai Familisika and Sioape Langi. The prefect's inauguration ceremony was notably presided by the then Honorable Minister of Education and Training, Honorable Pensimani Ebenisa Fifita. 23 sub-prefects were also elected during the seniors national examination, and their efforts and dedication are commendable. Sports. During the inter-college athletic sports competition, the school won 20 gold medals, 17 silver, and 12 bronze, and 2 athletes from Tonga College were selected to participate in the athletic championship, which was held in Townsville, Australia, in the month of July. Rugby has continued to open up many doors for our players to study and play rugby overseas, mainly in Japan and in New Zealand. The Under-15 Rugby League team had been to New Zealand to participate in a tournament organized by NRL, and they brought the trophy to Tonga College as winner and champion of the tournament. Witnessing all the success of highly talented students in the sports field, namely rugby, soccer, volleyball, table tennis, and bodybuilding, I am sure that with many opportunities for training and coaching from sports expertise, will get the boys at the school to achieve the best in sports. There were national representatives selected from the school in various sports, and we are proud of them. Extracurricular achievements. Despite the challenges the school faced this year, we have seen blessings from both local and abroad, and these were: one student from Tonga College was selected to participate in the World Tsunami Awareness Day Summit, which was held in Hokkaido, Japan. 3 other students were also traveling to Japan during the Rugby World Cup season as part of International Program for Sports and Non-Communicable Diseases. The school band had won prizes during the secondary school brass band competition, and truly, their achievements have made the school proud. It is our dream, Prince Tungi and All Boys Association, that in the near future we will have new band instruments, and we thank you in advance. The school continued to win prizes in the annual Royal Agricultural Show, and we are dedicated to continue on promoting farm work here at the school, as it offers and promises opportunity to many of our students. The school also continues to nurture our close relationship with Tupou College to ensure that peace is achieved and attained between the 2 schools. Acknowledgements. To His Majesty the King of Tonga, King Tupou VI, Queen Nanaspau, the royal family, and the royal household of Tonga. The school is most in debt and grateful to His Majesty's most generous award of the King Tupou VI Prize to the school, which began in 2013. The staff, Maftogi Malamoui, the students, and the 2019 recipient humbly thank His Majesty and the royal family for this prestigious award. To His Serene Highness Prince Tungi, Maftogi Malamoui, and the staff and students of Tonga College are highly grateful and thankful to Your Highness for kindly gracing a 2019 prize-giving ceremony with your presence as guest of honor. To the Honorable Minister of Education and Training, Honorable Siausi Ofagiva Folausovaleni, the administration, staff, and students of Tonga College would like to offer our gratitude for the leadership shown to the school in its academic journey of 2019. To the Chief Executive Officer, Mrs. Tankina Steen, DCEO schools and staff of the Ministry of Education and Training, the school is most appreciative and thankful for the continued support to the school in our educational journey this year. We hope that our Heavenly Father will bestow His blessings in all your efforts to develop and sustain quality education in our nation. To the President of the PTA, Mr. Sione Angake Tafuna, and executive members of the Parents and Teachers Association, the school is highly thankful for all the generous financial assistance you have given to the school in 2018 and 2019. You have stood by the school to assist us and have provided the best for your children, and for that we are forever grateful. To the President of the Tonga College All Boys Association, Prince Tungi, and all ex-students in Tonga and abroad, thank you for your never-ending support every time, especially in time of need. We hope to continue this working relationship in the many years ahead. Our obligated acknowledgement to the many sponsors and donors of the prizes to this year's prize-giving ceremony. We can never thank you enough. To the awesome blue of Tupou College, Kautekula, Kiritoto, Hunikaukula, Laione Evaltolu, Kulupu Fungamana Moui, Laione Tai Iloa, Kaureka Koristonga Quinsilani, Kulupu Nimenima, Tonga Power Limited, Talanoa Electric Services, Fui Vakavaliku, Reverend Kintoni Mafi, Vainga Palu, Devita Palu, Tanela Vaitohi, and Vaitohi Enterprises, Lisia Moala Latu and family, William Sisfa and Kiwi Tonga Limited, Watesoni Filimoihala, Sinipata Tomua, Vilai Ilolahia and Ilolahia Family, Computer Malolo and Kingdom Design, Niulolo and Siausi Prescott Jr., Aulapei Kolopeaua, Havea Liutolopaki, Elizabeth Pulot Fifita, Aline and Palu Te Mohenga, and to all individual all-boys classes whom I cannot all name here, for your donation to the school prizes as well as other donations in various forms. The school is and will always be yours to cherish, enlighten, empower, support, and develop. We thank you in God's name and pray that our Heavenly Father will continue to bless each and your family with His blessings and abundance. To all businesses, government departments, non-government organizations, and the Tongan community at large, the school is ever so grateful for your assistance and support. To the Deputy Principal, Mr. Tevita Utmuengal Finau, the senior tutors, Mr. Kefu Fonua and Mr. Tevita Tuifangaloka, my deepest gratitude for your good efforts in doing your very best to enhance the education of our students. May you all be blessed as you continue to lead the way forward for education in our nation. To Reverend Daniela Tamo'ua, I thank God for you and for your prayers and spiritual guidance for the school. May you always continue to shine in God's strength and love and bring forth revival to our school and nation. And to all the religious instruction leaders, thank you for attending to your congregation, our students, and for making time to be at school. To the senior lecturers, head of departments, and the staff of 2019, I cannot thank you enough for all your tireless efforts and contributions to ensure that quality education is achieved in Tonga College. To the staff leaving this year, may you take with you our successes and share those joys with those that you will encounter in your noble profession. Thank you also to the Social Committee, Olivetti Kaifoto and Kaufo'o Talakai, Lisia Finau and Meleana Kawaka, for the compilation of the prizes for the prize giving, and for one and all for your support and dedication. To Professor Tui, Professor T, Dr. Kang, and Dr. Shang, and the Chinese Embassy, thank you again for your passion to develop the Chinese language. And to the Chaiga as well as Ms. Chiharu Tanaka of CDU, thank you very much for your efforts and help to upgrade to Japanese language at school. To the ancillary staff, Mrs. Losaline Launga Nonu, Olga Talifolau, Bayale Ota, Metui Taposi, and Alofa Vailea, my deepest gratitude in your selfless giving to the school and kind patience in its leadership. To Mr. Aulapei Kolopeaua and Vainkolo Lavaki, the school's band master and assistant, and the student band members, your continued sacrifice of your time, efforts, home and leisure activity is something we can never fully repay. May God grant you His blessings in your endeavor to fulfill your passion and dream in music. Thank you so much for your never-ending service to the school. To Mafitoki Manamo'ui, Deputy Head Prefects, and the Sub-Prefects of 2019, thank you for your good leadership role and for the upkeep of our school rules and regulations. My deepest gratitude also for your generous giving to the school in all areas of our school life and for the great support of your parents and families. To the student body of 2019, you have been the true learners of this great school of ours, and for that we salute you. To the prominent and excellent achievers of 2019, the Ducks, Proximi Exercit, not forgetting the best all-round student of 2019, congratulations and may God bless you in your future academic endeavors. To the 7th formers who will be leaving this year and to those leaving abroad and to other institutions for higher education, may you hold dear all that you have learned and become in your achievements a true citizen of God and our beloved nation, a true Matema Tonga. As the Turkish proverb reads, a lion sleeps in the heart of every brave man. To the hard-working magazine team of 2019 and all helpers, Malolahi for your efforts this year. Always and forever, 2019 will forever be treasured and remembered. May you all have a joyous Christmas and a new year full of blessings. Tua of Latu.
For our choir, please, ladies and gentlemen. Your Serene Highness, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we now would like to commence with the awarding of the prizes. There will be two parts to these awards. The non-academic prizes will be announced first by the senior tutor, Mr. Tevita Tuifangaloka, followed by the first part of the academic prizes, which will be from the technical class, and then the junior awards for Forms 1 to Form 4 to be announced by the Deputy Principal, Mr. Tevita Utumengalo Finau.
Tapu mo e magare o e kilurua. Tapu atu whawharanglang. Tamba Prinis Tungi. Katoa ki lopa ko mea. Maftok mana moui. O mihango fua. Mai motuan ki whakakat. Pia uhufangat i lotu lerei.
Tātai whai whakau. Kai whakahoko atu, ak nau tolu ai whanau, ok nau ngāu e mātea ki ri oa. I e koristo ngā i he tāu āwhitaha hiwa, i he tapa kotoa pē. O au pē ki loki ako, ka koe tawhaake ni ki tua. Ko ngā ua ki, ko tawhaake kaumatapure. Whamore pē e ki whawhakalangilang he whahoha a whi matamauan. Ka ke whakakoroa mua, whake ngahi pāre. Ai tunga mātuan, kore kamatapure, murawa ki o lunga. Ko e matapure lahi, ai au ku ia e hingoa mafi tō ki mana mōui, kono pare whakia e he Ocean Blue, ko sutuku ai Kolisi ko tupou, me New Zealand, pamo Tongan, pamo e Tuofi, pamo e Panga Tahafi, ko e Pou, pamo e Pao Tolaki ai pe ai wā, whetauhi aki, ai ongo pure ako, kau whai ako, ongo mataapure lahi, kau mataapure, ka maa e whanau ako. Tauhi e merino, pamo e wāre rei, ai ongo api ako tupua. O ku whakia, ki taua wawa, onua eua, whakakai, pokotawa, hāno hapai, whautua i he Kolisi ngā. Whereti, whanau i whau, riki tui, hala toafu. Ongo matapure lahi, me hātou hapai, hawe roto Tongatapu, Sione, Kasimea, Milaniu me whou whakalaka i whamiri sika. Ka me i tānea wawau, hawe roto Tongatapu, Sioape, Langi. Mō ngā one hapai, whasi moeafi a Tungi Tongatapu, pāne pasa, amalani whiwhita. Toko mororo, hawe roto Tongatapu, sosaia po mana wakalahi. Korowai, nukunuku Tongatapu, Saresi, Mokofisi, tuina wai. Matuku, tungua, hawhewa hapai, tuaneki ware, ofu wawa, hateho Tongatapu, se misi taufu. Kami whare wai wawa, Kolowai, Tongatapu, Solomone, hala api api, whia mo ngalu whanoema. Kolo maire eua, whau i Tongatapu, tarikawiri pita. Tongarereka, tungua hapai, wheretoa wawau, nofo hāteiho, so sefo, sione, so lui mailangi. Ka mei kolo maire eua, whakakai hapai, nofo hawe roto, e palahame laukau he tahakilu, palu. Ka mei makawe, halarewa, pei o manu matango, wheremea hapai, David Aowa. A maire, whasimoeafi, talau wawau, hawe roto Tongatapu, Viriami, Unga, Soafa, Papakaitolo. Holonga Tongatapu, Korofou, Niwafou, Nofo Hateiho, Viriami, Folau, Reua, Kailaki. Ka me i onua eua o waka tua ne ki ware wawau. A maire korofo vuriami aripate tūkia. Ka me i tofoa. Malapo Tongatapu noa papu wawau mosese ko ngaika ahokovi. Sopo tau whahau. Tongatapu tungua hapai siu ki tua Tonga maunga lakepa helu. Ka mei pangai motu wawau hātei o Tongatapu nofo pea sione tui a fitu tauwha junior. Ka mei lofanga hapai mataika wawau ngere ia pea Tongatapu Saimone Kaluseti Selu. Ka mei wheremea hapai waini hatei o Tongatapu whakahawhi mo ui langi. Ka mei whareroa hapai kanoku polu ahau nofo kolomotua. Siare tupou vea. Tuane ki ware wawa, malapo, nofo whangaroto, sa miwela kai whāro hea tu wafu. Mo ngaone muitoa hāno hapai, lapaha, waini Tongatapu, se kope, vunga, siswha. Ka mei nomuka o ua hapai, kolomotua Tongatapu, Esion Pahulu. Ka mei hifo niwa Toptapu, petani niwa fōu, nofo halalo Tongatapu, whirifono, whonoema. Ka mei kofou, kolomotua Tongatapu, siaki ofa ki moana tuyano liawaa junior masalu. Ka mei whareloa hapai, hateho, kolowai Tongatapu, Raymond, Akawola. Ka mei tawa wa, Haveloto Tongatapu, John Mamata Tumalo. Funga fonua o nua eua, nofo Atele, tua ki wharerei havea. Hihifo tongarere ka hapai, te fish, vai malo, wawa, tufu, eua, nofo Tongatapu, tofoa Tongatapu. Ka mei houma, tokomororo, pea Tongatapu, sione tau kei aho tupohia. Ka mei makawe wawa, whahaifa Tongatapu, Fisi Piula, Tonga. Ke tau hoko atai pē ke kau matapure tokoni. Mei horonga, lapaha, nofo tataka motonga Tongatapu, so saia, tui ki hānai ma afungia. Mataika, hasini Tongatapu, Wiriami tua. Me tānea, rei mātua wawa, nofu hawe roto, se te lo velo junior moala. Me hunga wawau, Makaunga talafo waini Tongatapu ofa batei alona. Nautoka haveloto Tongatapu, Viliami iloa he lotu palu. Kame ipea tatakomotonga Tongatapu, Christian estimoa loaman. Kame itungua hapai, kolonga, niutoua Tongatapu, keures vekite. Onua eua, tongarereka hapai, pahu kofou Tongatapu, palu tupou, wika o Michael Twin, philosophy pua. Pangai hapai, afa, niutoua Tongatapu, nofu hakame, David, hangana. Kami manuka, pea, nukureka, nautoka Tongatapu, tau aika kaufusi. Nomuka hapai, kanokupolu, halarewa Tongatapu, sailosi, faone tapu o hangata, tau moifulau muala. Kami ngereia, whangaloto, Tongatapu, hauat, fasi. Kami te kiu, kolomotua Tongatapu, Sione, Tukia, Junior, motua puaka. Me uia hapai, kolomotua, sopo tauwha, nuarei, peni kata. Me longolongo, nofo masila mea Tongatapu, mahani lai, hakaumotu. Kami fotuha hapai, folah nukuetulu, nofo halarewa Tongatapu, Sione mounga. Me i tonga mamao eua, hifo nio top tap, fua motu, hua toritori, Sione mahe. Kami i houma Tongatapu, tokotaha, tauwha, lawaka. Kako e whaosi a kau matapure toko ni, pa me i pea Tongatapu. Turi ki mafua i wah, mahola, tupou. I e tawhaki o e ifi, pe koe brass band, koe tamasi ifi le rei taha, o fuaki ia e pare paanga ni mangiau, fuaki ia e paresteni kinton mafi, koe koe stutuku, koe tamasi ifi le rei taha taiwa fituhiwa, moe panga ni manoa, fuaki e aurapei kolope aua, pa moe family, pa moe trophy, pa me PTA, fuaki a ka Paula, na moa, te kiu, ua motu, unga wawau, kolomotua Tongatapu. Tabasi ifi, lerei he whanau wiki, whakai pangateau, e fui wakawarik, moi family, whakamanatu o Monaken, mafu o tui Tonga kawariku, kua pekia i wafu hongofulu, pa moi tofi, ai PTA, Tongarereka, hapai, kofou, Tongatapu, kapongarea stareki, vea tupu. tamasi ifi, iki, lerei taha, pangani manoa fuake aurapei, kolope aua, tamoe profi IPDA, sapaata niwa fou, hawhewa hapai, nofo mataika, maaperi feoko. Tamasi ifi whakalaka taha, pangani manoa fuake aurapei, pamoe family, Anthony Waterhouse. Nofo i mataika, haweloto Tongatapu. Tamasi fahiwa, lerei taha, pangani manoa fuake aurapei, kolope aua, pamoe family, pamoe trophy IPDA, hatafu Tongatapu, viritonu, amanaki lerei fohila. Tamasi teknikare lerei taha, toi fuaki peia ki hatafu Tongatapu, viritonu, amanaki lerei fohila. Kau kansela, fuake pangani manoa, aurapei, kolope aua, pamoe family. Hifo ni o Tongatapu, toula utui wawau, kolonga, tofoa Tongatapu, Mosese, Whirikitonga. Te kiu, fuamotu, kolomotua, hunga wawau, Paula na moa. Hawhewa hapai, fasmoeafi, Tongatapu Latu vea. Me uturei, wawa, kanokpolu, lavengatonga, utulau, noforia hona, sione holoia. Tamei wharehau, niwa Tongatapu, nofo niu toa te evita nunu. Tamasi pulotu, mei wheremea, horopeka hapai, nofo haweloto Tongatapu, Manueli, tai mangalo, finau. Ie malai o sipoti. Koe kapteni o tautavalu pe ko senior team e Kolisi, fuake pangateau pa mo trophy, ie tau ako, huni kaukula, tahiwa walunoa, ta me hasini, Tongatapu, lotiola, pome. Tamasi whakalaka, ia kapulu ai tautavalu, fuake pangateau, fuakia e huni kaukula, pamono tau ako, pamono trophy IPDA. Tufuwai eua, longolongo Tongatapu, nofo lapaha, hingano, peau. Tamasi i hawhererei taha, fuake pangateau e kostutuku, huni kaukula, tau te au tahiwa warunoa, me rei mātua wawa, sosiua tui pulotu. I ngā i grade iki, grade 1, fuaki kia e pānga te au, e laione tai iloa, hofoa Tongatapu, tufu eua, kanokupolu Tongatapu, atonio aho. Ie grade 2, panga te au fuaki e lanta iloa, utulau whahefa Tongatapu, poasi Tonga. Ie grade 2, grade 3, panga te au fuaki e lanta iloa, hoko atu ai nau pou, ke grade 3, ie wanoa, me tungua, hapai, nofo hateiho, Shash Monoa. Grade 4, fuaki e pangateau me lane tailoa, tungua hapai, hateiho Tongatapu, vai ngalo fine. Ia grade 5, panga te au fuaki pe e laione tai iloa. No muka o ua hapai kolo motua Tongatapu e sioni pahulu. Koe tamasi i soka le reitaha i e tau taha tolu. Me i maofanga, fasi moeafi a Tungi, Ouau, Tongatapu, sione, taria uri. Koe tamasi le reitaha i e tau taha no, te vita koroa, ukai ki lava mai. Tamasi le reitaha i e tau taha hiwa, me i honua eua, o waka, tua neki ware, ne iafu wawau, a maire Ouau, Tongatapu, Viriami, Aripate, Tukia. Tamasi sipoti le reitaha, i e mala e Atelita, whake panga te au, e Kingdom Design, Computer, Malolo, Pamoe Family, Pamoe Trophy, a PTA, Hato'u, Frank Kaihea. Tamsire reita e klasi senior, panga te au, whakia e Kingdom Design, Computer, Malolo, Pamoe Family, Pamoe Trophy, noa papu wawau, makaunga, sopo tau whahau, Tongatapu, otu whangawalu, kiwalu. Tamasire reita, whakalukufua, i he sipoti a terita. Whakia e whaifkau, New Loro Prescoti, koistutuku ta iwa fitua, ta iwa fitualu, tamosiasi New Loro Prescoti Junior, akoloro Tonga, panga te au, Kingdom Advance, Computer, malolo mo family, mi horonga Tongatapu, fisi uri, manu hapai. I ngai pare ke ngai turiki, i uta, tamasi i nofo wao rei taha, horopeka, hapai, nofo lakepa, fuakepa ngateau, pila farming and fishing, Viriami Pulu. Tabasi to mereni rei taha. Pangateau fuaki e pila farming, longomapu, kahoua, Tongatapu, sione morimori. Tamasi to kumala, pangateau, me pila farming and fishing, le matua, tofua Tongatapu, falakiko viritau. Tamasi unetoka ngaiki na mea ngau e ayako. Pangateau pa me pila farming and fishing, whangaloto, kolomotua, lapaha Tongatapu, Edward Tovo. Tamasi i oku taukei, i uta, pangateau pa me he pila farming and fishing, homa mo vaini Tongatapu, sione, huapang. Tawasi rei taha i e junior i tōkanga. Me nukunuku, ni toua, Tongatapu, whakai pangateau, me pila farming and fishing, Viriami, tuia ne vai, tuina wai. Tamsi rei taha i e whanau lahi. O whakai pangateau, pa me pila farming and fishing, kolo mai le eua, fōui Tongatapu, tarikawiri pita. Tamasi rei taha, une tokanga e kina, mau pē, tokoni, a e whare o ku whakatūpake. Pespa kipa, pangateau, ta me huni kaukula, tou, tahiwa wau noa, soane pensoni. Tamasire rei taha ne tokanga i kina e whare moe rotonga a konof mau. Me tānea wawau, hawe loto Tongatapu, soa pelang. I he maa o e api a ko, kosi, tauhi he wike ki he wike, panga te au. Whakia pia me kautaha kosi tuku, huni kau kura. Ki wheretoa, ki mataika wawau, pea Tongatapu, Wainikolo, Selu. Toko taha tauhi laiperi le rei taha. Panga te au, whakia me Kolisi tuku ko Vivian Jari. Pe ku iloa ko kuini kau te kuraba me i gare me Amerika. Folaha. Oto Waingamisi. Pea mo e toko taha, whakia e panga te au, i e Kolisi tuku tatau pe, kau te kura me Amerika, hofoa, lo mani, mawhireo. O kai ke lawa mai. Malo, kai lawa mai tōni pure, whakakatoa te toinga, kau mapare pa mo e malo.
Koto mumole ka tau hoko te mua ki e kawako teknikare, ai Kolisi Tonga, wai e porokalama e wha, uraki ko horticulture, wai o tamai o eiki e uai. Una takipanga e te au, mai ia he pila farming and fishing, uraki ko wheki afu tufi, veitongo, Tongatapu. Ko e ua, maa mi wai, tangimana, mi haa te iho Tongatapu, o mo niua Tongatapu. O ki kai ke lava mai. I he programa ono ua ko electrical, wai panga ni mangeau, ko whaki he TSA, pe ko talanoa, electrical services, kono una ko pension da noa tahaufa, me ko situku me he ono hiwa ke fit wha, une whaki kia, ai panga ni mangeau ki a lolea ma whireo nua. Automotive, skosipi, ako tai Tongi wanoa, whakia he Kolisi tutuku ko te vita palu pa mo palu aviation, i ma Serene, Tongatapu, Christopher, Manueli, Ahotau. Whaosi ko carpentry, i teknikare, wai skosipi ako tai Tongi wanoa, whakia he Kolisi tutuku ko te vita palu pa mo palu aviation, kata mo panga te au, whakia e wate soni fil mo hala ko Kolisi tutuku mnofa nusila, fōui kolonga wani Tongatapu, sivihiwa manumua. O toi whaaki pe whoki, ai top i he student, i he technical, ke wanoa tahiwa, i he classroom practical, pa mo discipline, wais kosipi ako te Tongi, wanoa, whaaki he Kolisi tutuku ko te vita palu, pa mo palu aviation, mo trophy, toneitia e Daniela Waitohi Enterprise, i fōui, kolonga waini Tongatapu kia sivihiwa manumua. Honga ia i he lawa e maa whake ngai pare ko ia e piskau. Ka e ui at mua ke tau hoko ai. Ki hono ui. Hono ui atu ai toko nima. Tu ki mua i he form taha ki he form wha. Ko tō nima tu ki mua i he form taha. Ko nima waka uriafa tahitua. Ko wha vea tautai tau singa, koe tolu, lisiate, ka iri, tutani kai, ua, i form 1 level, waha akolo, palu, parei. E ko fika uraki i he form 1 level, he wanoa tahiwa, Peter, Valentina, Tavake. Valentine, Tavake. I form 2 level, koe ni mā, te au i mo unga tau whai te au. Wha, Timote Nai, Paea. Tolu, Sione, Manuatu, Maasila. E koe ua i form 2 revolo, ki wanoa tahiwa, Ernest, Manatu Ofa, ki Malakula, Pacific Tonga. E koe uraki he form 2 revolo, Chet, Anthony, Til, Asisi, Lawaki. I form 3 level. Ko tō nima tuki mua, ko nima, Daniel Latu, Wha, Siosiua, Manaki Lerei Havea, Tolu, Sione, Evangelio Tahafe. Ko ua, i form 3 level, ke wanoa tahiwa, ko Pamini, Finau, Havea. Ko tuki mua, i form 3 level, ke wanoa tahiwa, Siope, Ngalu. Ko toko nima tuki mua he form 4 revolo. Ko nima hei muri likiafu. Wha, Peni, Kata, Tolu, Tonga, Lawaki. Ua, Siosaia, Afungia. Ko tuki mua he form 4 revolo. I wanoa tahiwa ko te vita manu. Iai kore wharu more ke whitu una i Tungi ka ke angare rei mua ke whake ange a ngahi pare ai form taha ke wha i subject award class position pe moe i he revolo i he form 1 i tau kamata pe i he form 1 kore ke matanga koe aho eni ke tau pasi ai ke whakaha i tau fia ke ngau e lava he tau whanau. Form 1 level re soni ko eni e ono Ingirisi. Wai mo kes panga te au tonei tia Bramsis Fa mo Kiwi Tonga Limited trophy tonei e PTA ko mathematics trophy tonei he PTA science trophy tonei he PTA Tonga mo anga whakafonua trophy tonei he PTA Creative Technology, Scholarship, he wanoa, i school fees, Palu Aviation, Pangateau, Tonetia, Watesoni, Filmo Hala, Exitene, Hiva Fage, Hiva, and with a trophy bet on PTA, and with a Sony on movement and fitness, with trophy donated PTA, Avekato, Ayagre, Tua Vavau, for Tongatapu, Peter, Valentine, Tavake. Korea Whakatonga, mo trophy, donate he PTA, aweki tānea wawa, o foa, Tongatapu, vea tautai tausinga. For music, wadaha mo trophy, donate he PTA, aweki haateiho Tongatapu, mata aho ewa, ka venga whalau Latu. Kei kore peke he matanga, kei ongona mai peho mō fia, e ngā e aho, malo. E tau hoko atu rewa, e tau hoko atu rewa, e class position. Wai a kalasi e nima, wai a kalasi e nima. Music. In music, trophy donate PTA, aweki haateiho, mataaho e ua, ia ka veinga whalau Latu. Class position. Pato tuki mua i ngai form 1 ia Kolisi Tonga ki wanoa tahiwa. Wai klase nima 1H tolu mo trophy donate he PTA aveki utulau mo wharewai mawau wirikata rea aikona. Koi ua mo trophy donate he PTA aveki eua popua Tongatapu te vita whai. Koe captain i form 1H i wanoa tahiwa wataha mo trophy ai PTA aveki hate iho tonga reka hapai ka veinga whalau Latu. I one eye. Koe tolu. Wataha mo trophy whake PTA aweki tofoa te fisi wawau o te whangawalu lavu lavu. Koe ua. Wataha mo trophy whake PTA aweki whareroa hapai halawawe Tongatapu te vila tolu. Taka captain i form 1I wataha mo trophy wake PTA aweki tofoa waini monomuka hapai te vita uliafa tahitua. Form 1J koe tolu wataha mo trophy wake PTA aweki haasieni moholonga Joseph Talanoa. Koe ua wataha mo trophy wake PTA aweki tuanuku wawau Kolfo'ou Tongatapu Peter Vaya. Taka captain i form 1J wataha mo trophy wake he PTA aweki puke houma Tongatapu ea ngalu tuangalu. Taka form 1J koe tolu wataha mo trophy a PTA aweki tataka motonga mo wharehau ni o Tongatapu mua taane watuwei. Koe ua mo trophy wake PTA aweki taanea wawau o Tongatapu vea tautai tausinga. Taka captain i form 1K wataha mo trophy PTA aweki kolomotua wheremea hapai ka lisiate tutane kai. Form 1Ela koe tolu wataha mo trophy PTA aweki mo Kolfo'ou Tongatapu Sosiwa Tupou. Koe ua wataha mo trophy PTA aweki mataaho e ua mo veitongo waha akolo palerei. Koe captain i form 1Ela wataha mo trophy PTA aweki rei matua wawau ia Pita Valentaine Tavake. Koe tokotolu tuki muaeni i he form 1 level o ki wanoa tahiwa. Koe tolu whakatoa i he form tolu wataha mo trophy tonei te PTA aweki kolomotua hawakatolo la kepa Tongatapu fotua wheremea hapai lisiate ka iri paea i tere kawa tutane kai. Koe ua whakatoa i he form 1 level ki wanoa tahiwa wataha mo trophy tonei te he PTA aweki mataaho e ua vitongo Tongatapu waha kolo palu palerei. Taka tuki mua i he form 1 level ki he wanoa tahiwa wataha mo cash prize panga tahafe. Koe tonei tia he kaureka Kolisi Tonga Kunsilani wataha mo panga te au tonei te Ramses Fa mo Kiwi Tonga Limited. Wataha mo panga te au tonei te kaulaione Tailoa mo trophy tonei te PTA aweki rei matua wawau polaha o foa Tongatapu Peter Valentaine Tavake. Koe tokataha ako whakakataha i he form 1 level o ke wanoa tahiwa wataha mo trophy a PTA aweki tanea wawau koronga ho foa Tongatapu ia vea tautai tausinga. Wata Tonga, wata mo trophy donate PTA, mo movement and fitness donate a trophy PTA, avec Yafa, Tongatapu, Kolfo, Niofo, Mafanga, Chet, Anthony, Til, Sisi Lawaki. Ayaw kay Galawa Mai. Ko TSC, Bega Tonga, Tanaki to Paspasima, Chet, Anthony, Til, Sisi Lawaki. Tonga moyanga whakafonua, piko TSC, whataha mo trophy tonete PTA, weki hunga wawau, whanoi hapai ka nofo piri, a petueli Latu, kaiola helotu mateaki. The creative technology, iai mo scholarshipi, ke wanoa, ko school fees, me Paula aviation, te ai mo panga te au, tonete what the Sony Filimoy Hala, avec Havelu Tongatapu, Makabe Vavau, Pangai Hapai, Kasione, Manuatu Masila. The music, Traipe mo trophy tonete PTA, avec Tungua Hapai, Hateo Tongatapu, Te au I Mounga, Te au. Waibe mo kalasi enima in form 2 level ko 2H ko tolu. Wada mo trophy foke PTA avec masila mea pangai motu babau ia manase tongia. Ko Ouau wada mo trophy tonete PTA avec Kolfo ko motu Tongatapu Highness madat offer Pacific Tonga. Waki in form 1H 2H Wanoa dahiwa, wata mo trophy PTA, avec Yafa, Tongatapu, Kolfo, Niofo, Chet, Anthony, Til, Sisi, Lawaki. Tuai, Kotolu, wata mo trophy tonete PTA, avec Utulau, Mulongamapu Babau, Paula, Sime. Ouau, mo trophy tonete PTA, avec Maufanga, Tongatapu, Fotua Hapai, Finau, Lavemai. The captain in form 2I, wata mo trophy tonete PTA, avec Maufanga, Tongatapu, Lofanga Hapai, Funaki Masi. Form 2J, Tolu, trophy tonete PTA, avec Nukureka, Fretoa Babau, Ritimani Katoa. Ouau, mo trophy tonete PTA, avec Vautu Homa, Tongatapu, Siosi Moala. Pasipasi Masiosi. Avec Rocky et Form 2J, wata mo trophy PTA, avec Petani Eua, Makabe Babau, Api Formerino Lolo. Ko 2K, ko tolu. Wata mo trophy PTA, avec Kahaua Tongatapu, Fremea Hapai, Konistu Tone Vaira. Ko Ouau, wata mo trophy PTA, Ibaini Tongatapu, Uiha Hapai, Aveia ka Vahai Nau. Rocky Form 2K, wata mo trophy PTA, avec Havelu Tongatapu, Makabe Babau, Sione Manuatu, Masila. Form 2Ela, Kotolu, wata mo trophy PTA, avec Tungua Hapai, Kolonga Tongatapu, Sione Tago Fo Pore. Ouau, wata mo trophy PTA, Abebe moia ki Tungua Hapai, Hateo Tongatapu, Te au I Mounga Tauwhai Te au. The captain in Form 2Ela, wata mo trophy PTA, avec Haveroto, Misi Babau, Timote Paea. Na hoko te me ke tokotolu tuki mua e Form 2 Revolo. Wanoa dahi wa koe tolu, wataha mo trophy tonete PTA. Avec Havelu, Tongatapu, Makawe wawau pangai hapai sione manuatu masila. Ouau, pada mo trophy tonete PTA, e form tu revologe wanota iwa avec call for all call mutua Tongatapu, Highness manat offer ki malakula Pacific Tonga. Tongatapu tu ki mua e form tu revologe wanota iwa, pada mo pangateau tonete Ramses Farm mo Kiwi Tonga Limited, pada mo pangateau tonete Lione Tailoa. Avec Yafa, Tongatapu, Kolfo, Niofo, Afa, Tongatapu, Ched, Anthony, Tila, Sisi, Lawaki, Lupa Plasmai, Katap, Tongatapu, Falataha, Trophy, Foke, PTA, avec Matahau, Tongatapu, Sia Tautai, Newton, Vea Matahau. Form 3 level, subject award, English, Patawe Panteau, Donated Ramses Fa, Pata mo trophy tonete PTA avec tongalereka hapai moloto hapai Christian Flau Moitui. Perea Fakatonga pata mo trophy tonete PTA avec Tanea mo loto fine feuiaki valu. Mathematics pa mo economics pata mo trophy tonete PTA avec Petani Ewa mo habratolo mo ngereia kesione tahafe. Science trophy tonete PTA avec Tongomololo mo fotua habai Daniel Latu. Accounting mo trophy Fake PTA avec la paha pa mo folaha Sia Osi Leone. Computing and ICT wai mo trophy Fake PTA avec Onua Ewa Polonga Tongatapu Sio Siwa Havea. Lesone Ewa go agriculture mo trophy Fake PTA Industrial Arts, Tongiako, Tongi ke wanoa fuaki e Kolisi te vita Paula mo Paula Aviation, to yawe pangateau, tonete Wilsoni Filmo Hala, ave ki tongareka hapai kolomaire ewa ave lot Tongatapu, ta siope ngalu. The history, mo trophy fuake PTA ave ki hateio, feremea hapai ki so sifa Vatuwei. The Japanese, pada mo trophy, wake PTA, have roto, munomuka hapai, fe'ao mo ofa nonu. Geography, pada mo trophy at PTA, hafeva hapai, ifo nio Tongatapu, mapamini finau havea. The music, pada mo trophy at PTA, ave kita takamotonga, limatua bavau, teu folau, filso nuu. The Chinese, wadaha mo trophy, PTA avec Veitongo, Tongatapu, Aminiasi Hafoka. Ita woko tabe ki class position form tolu, wa class Nima, 3H, ko tolu wadaha mo trophy PTA avec Nomuka, Umafanga, William Fifita. Ko Ouau, wadaha mo trophy PTA avec Nukunuku, Nitoua, Briami Tuinauwai. The Iraqi Form 3H, pada mo trophy PTA avec hafeva hapai, hifo ni Tongatapu, pamini finau havea. 3I ko tolu, pada mo trophy PTA avec fahefa utulau, oasi ofa milangi Tonga. Ouau, pada mo trophy PTA avec kotu hapai, watu Tongatapu George Tuikolonga. The captain in Form 3I, wataha mo trophy at PTA avec Kolmotua, uiha hapai, ot whangavalu, kiriati malupo. The 3J, ko tolu, wataha mo trophy tolete PTA avec Ohonua, Moholonga, Tongatapu, Sosiua, Manaklere, Havea. Ko Ouau, wataha mo trophy fuake PTA, Petani Ewa, Muhabakatolo, Sione Tahafe. The Iraqi Form 3J, pada mo trophy PTA avec tongareka apai kolmaire ewa siope ngalo. Form 3K, white kotolu pada mo trophy PTA avec vaini mo kolfo se kope taufa. Ouau, Wataha mo trophy tone te PTA aviki la paha pa mo folaha si Aussie Leone. Uraki e Form 3K, wanoa taha iwa wataha mo trophy whake PTA to malolo mo fotuha ka Daniel Latu. Free Ella, ko tolu, wataha mo trophy whake PTA aviki kolonga tu iono whare ofa. Ko ua i Form 3 Ella, wataha mo trophy whake PTA aviki tataka motonga mo kolfo o koutoa koka. Ko uraki e Form 3 Ella, wataha mo trophy whake PTA aviki taanea wawau have rot Tongatapu fine whiaki valu. Kita wako dai pe ki toko tolu tuki mua i Form tolu ki wanoa taha iwa ko tolu whakatoe i Form tolu wataha mo trophy tone te PTA aveki petani eua hawakatolo yore ia ki a sione evangelio ki aisake tahafe. Ko ua i Form 3 level o wataha mo trophy tone te PTA aveki hawhewa hifo ni o Tongatapu popua Tongatapu pa min finau havea. Ko tuki mua i Form 3 level o ki wanoa taha iwa wataha mo pangateau tone te virami sisfa mo kiwi Tonga Limited pangateau tone te laione ta iloa aveki tonga reka hapai ko maile eua siope ngalo. Ko toka ako whakalaka i Form tolu wataha mo trophy PTA aveki vaini Tongatapu te reni laite havea. Upaspasi mai Ita woko te peke Form 5 Subject Award le soni ua ko ni ko English mo pangateau donate around Mrs. Farm with Kiwi Tonga Limited from history trophy whake he PTA aveki tonga reka pangai hapai loto hapai temien flau mwetui. The science pa mo economics wataha mo trophy donate PTA aveki kolfo o ni of all afa pa mo mafanga Tongatapu tonga lawaki. Refa tonga accounting pa mo computing and ICT katoa ni wai ngai trophy whake PTA aveki niwa ki niu to ua Tongatapu ha feva ha pai ya te vita manu. Geography pa mo agriculture wataha mo trophy whake PTA aveki holonga la paha ki a sio saia afungia. Mathematics wataha mo trophy PTA aveki malapo mo te taka motonga aveka Robert tupo ata. Industrial art ya mo school fee ki wanoa donate e Palu Aviation wataha mo pangateau donate e Watesoni firmo hala veki kolofo o ni ofo o ave roto Tongatapu Francis Assis Sakopo. O Japanese wai mo trophy donate PTA aveki petani eua on Port Villa e muri likiafu. Tako music I Form 4 wataha mo trophy donate PTA aveki holonga wawau mafanga Tongatapu Nicholas Sakalaya. Ita wako taipe class position e Form 5 ko 4H ko tolu wataha mo trophy whake PTA aveki malapo Tongatapu tataka motonga Robert tupo ata. Ko iwa wataha mo trophy whake PTA aveki tonga reka loto hapai temien flau moetui. Ko uraki e Form 4H wataha mo trophy whake PTA aveki holonga o te taka motonga sio saia afungia. Ko 4I ko tolu wataha mo trophy whake PTA aveki popua Tongatapu whangareunga hapai o re seni mahe. Ko ua trophy whake PTA aveki petani eua Port Villa Papua New Guinea he muri likiafu. Pako uraki e Form 4I wataha mo trophy whake PTA aveki niu to ua ta muhafeva hapai e te vita manu. Form 4J wataha moi koe tolu, wataha moi tofe PTA, aveki utulau mukoloa wawau Stephen i Latu. Koe ua, wataha moi tofi torete PTA, aveki manuka, gureka, ni to ua, tauaika, kaufusi. Koe uraki e form 4J, wataha moi tofi torete PTA, aveki kol fo ou, ni o fo ou, a wha Tongatapu, ia Tonga Lawaki. Koe form 4K, koe tolu, wataha moi tofi torete PTA, aveki holonga wawau, mawhanga Tongatapu, Nicholas Sakalaia. Ua, wataha moi tofi, wake PTA, aveki whangaloto ngereia, Howard Tonga Fasi. Koe uraki e form 4K, wataha moi tofi torete PTA, aveki sopu pa muiha hapai, Penny Kata. E form 4 e la koe tolu, wataha moi tofi, PTA, aveki pea pa muonua eua, sio sifa tausinga. Kore ke matanga kataki mo poupou mai ke ako tau whanau. Koe ua e form 4 e la wataha mo tofe PTA awe ki wheremea hapai mo whanga Tongatapu amperiasi koloi. Koe ua ki e form 4 e la wataha mo tofe PTA awe ki popua vaini Tongatapu e Henry Moala. Koe tokotolu tuki muaeni i he form 4 revolo ki he uanoa tahiwa. Koe tolu, awe ki koro fuou ni o fuou wa wha e weiki mo whanga Tongatapu. Wataha mo tofe PTA ki a Tonga Lawaki. Kataki matanga mo pasipasi mai. Koe ua i he form 4 revolo ki he uanoa tahiwa. Awe moe ki holonga, la paha, tataka matonga, iai moe tofi torete PTA ki a sio saia afungia. Koe tu ki mua, i form 4 revolo, ki wanoa tahiwa, awe ki niu to ua, haa whewa, kataha moe panga te au, i amsi whaen kiwi tonga, panga te au e laione tai loa, awe ka te vita manu. Ko taha ako whakalaka taha i form 4 awe ia ki makaunga Tongatapu hunga wawau ko taha mo trofia PTA ki a ofa matea lona. Kamalo atu ki he whawha alangulangi ko lava ia e whua ki ngai pare ki form taha ki form 4.
Ke whamalo atu ai pe koe Your Serene Highness, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, our next item is going to be a brass band entertainment that will be performed by the school's brass band. At the end of the item, the acting principal, Mrs. Taisia Ma'u, will then announce the academic prizes for the senior forms, Form 5 to Form 7. Malo.
Thank you.
Your Serene Highness, Prince Tungi, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. May I first announce the top 5 position in Form 5 and Form 6, and then proceed on to top 10 position in Form 7 before we award the prizes. For Form 5 level, top 5 position in Form 5 level, 5, Manu Niukapu Langaoi. 4, Tevita Kauvakahiva Kitekei Aho Saints. 3rd, Cyril Kawahu Imelangi Tuihangana. 2nd position, Sosefo Thomas Moa Alexanita Mailang. And the first and top in Form 5 level, Eriki Laume. In Form 6 level, there are 3 Form 6. 5th place, Amanaki Kuritapa Taulahi. 4th place, Haloesi Junior Lehman. Third place, Siaki Ofakimoana Roy Tuyonoliava'a Junior Masal. Second place, Mongahea Koloahe Lotu Likiliki. And the first place in Form 6 level, Filippo Parefao Junior Fraus. In Form 7 level, there are 2 Form 7s. I will call out the 10th position. 10th, Solomone Halapiapi Fonohema. 9th, Simone Kaluseti Selu. 8th, Sione Tuiafitu Taufa Jr. 7th, Taoni Fifita. 6th, Laura Newtay. 5th, Salesi Mokofisi Tuinawai. In the 4th place, William Unga Soafa Mapakaitolo. And I'm pleased to announce the 3rd, the 2nd, and the 1st position will be called out later when we award the top prizes. Kole fa mole mole atupe ki mua pe tau foaki ai ngahi pale ke form 5, 6 and 7 ko whahoko atupe o koe ngahi pale paanga na toton ke whahoko atu ko ni ospeta na tunga ai lava mai rewa ere ka ki heni ke kau fefine ko ni o ku fotutu e pale whakamo oni pe he form wai pe tok atu se niti ke onima. Lava pe ke amo koe tau whanau ke atu se niti ke omonima. Koe uhinga ia ukai ke o atu se niti e taimu whake atu ai pale. Ka tau hoko atu ke whake ngai pale ke form 5, 6 and 7. May I humbly invite Your Serene Highness Prince Tungi to please present the prizes. Each of the prizes is accompanied by a trophy, compliments of the PTA. In Form 5 level, subject awards. In Form 5 level, top in English. Top in English is a cash prize of $100 donated by William Sisfa and Kiwi Tonga Limited and a trophy donated by PTA. Top in Economic Studies is a full tuition and exam fees for 2020 donated by Sonia Fili, a Tonga College pioneer student in economics subject in 1984, and in commemoration of their youngest daughter, Christine Selai Fili, goes all the way to the Maka Kofere Unga Hano Hapai, Cyril Kawahume Langi Tuihangana. Top in mathematics, a trophy, compliments of PTA. Top in science, a trophy donated by PTA. Top in computing and ICT, trophy donated by PTA. And top in geography is a cash prize of $100 from Pensimani Epenisa Fifita and family, a former teacher and senior tutor of Tonga College, the People's Representative to Parliament of Tongatapu 9, and also a former Minister of Education and Training, goes to Whamotu Tongatapu Fotohapai to Eriki Laume. Top in biology and top Elea Fratonga, both trophy, presented a trophy donated by PTA, goes all the way to Lematu Afeleto Abavau, Habeluloto Tongatapu, Sosefo Thomas Moa, Alexa Anita Mailang. Top in accounting is a trophy donated by PTA. Manu ni ukapo langaoi, le matu ababa i o mataho, vai kopuna nofo yefunga manamowi. in agricultural science is a trophy donated by PTA all the way to Leimatua Vava'u, Kolofo'o, Niuafo'o, and Nofo Efungamana Mo'i, Talanoa, Taliauri. Topping history is a cash prize of $100, compliments of Pensimani Penisa Fifita and family, goes all the way to Faleloa Hapai, Yokoa Vava'u, Fungamana Mo'i, Siaosi, Fisilau, Fifita. Topping industrial arts, a trophy donated by PTA, and a full scholarship of tuition for 2020 donated by Tevita Palu and Palu Aviation, as another cash prize of $100 donated by Watesoni Filimoihala, an ex-student of 1994 to 1999, Vaisiliva Junior Akepu Molia from Popua, Longoteme, Tongatapu, Petani, Niuafo'o. Top in Japanese language is trophy donated by PTA, Sinamaki Tatofi Maloni. Top in music is a trophy donated by PTA, all the way to Vaipoa Niua Tongatapu, Halaovave, Pangai Hapai, Perenato Manu. Koitoki Mua I Tonga Moyanga Whafonua is a trophy donated by PTA, goes to Loketi Monson Iloa, Te Fisi Vava'u Vaipoa Niua Tongatapu, Ha Teiho Tongatapu. Class position for Form 5, Form 5H. Third position, Vaisiliva Junior Akepu Molia, Popua, Longoteme Tongatapu, Petani Niuafo'o. Second place, Tevita Kauvarahiva Kitekeya Hosseins, Homa Tongatapu and the Philippines, is a trophy donated by PTA. And the first place goes all the way to Hano Hapai, is a trophy donated by PTA, Saro Kawahui Melangi Tuihangana. Form 5I, third position, from Nomuka Hapai, Talafo'o, Nukuleka, Fangaloko, Tongatapu, Sione Vahai, Huitawanga, Ulupano. Second position, Brandon John Taofi from Tofoa, Hateiho, Lapaha, Tongatapu. First position, Manu Niukapu, Langaoi, Leimatua Vava'u, Maiko Puna, Nofo Iefunga Manamowi. Form 5J. Third, Havea Leone, Lapaha, Folaha, Tongatapu. Second, Lisiate Paea Helotu Feke, Mataika Vava'u, Longolongo, Tongatapu. First position, Sosefo Thomas Moa, Alexanita Mailangi, Leimatua, Feletoa Vava'u, Haveloto, Tongatapu. Form 5K. Third, Sione Funaki Taufa from Leimatua Vava'u. Second place, Talanoa Taliauli, again from Leimatua Vava'u, Kolofo'o, Niuafo'o, Nofo Hefunga Manamo'ui. And the first position goes to Eliki Laume of Fuamotu, Tongatapu, Fotua, Hapai. The top 3 positions for the Form 5 level. Third is a trophy donated by PTA all the way to Ha'ano Hapai, Cyril Kawahui Melangi, Tuihangana. Second place is a trophy donated by PTA, a cash prize of $50 donated by William Sisfa and Kiwi Tonga Limited, all the way to Leimatua, Feletoa Vava'u, Sosefo, Thomas Moa, Alexanita Mailang. And first place in Form 5 level is a cash prize of $100 donated by William Sisfa and Kiwi Tonga Limited. a cash prize of $150 donated by Monaheni Maafotuitonga Kawaliku. Again, another $100 donated by the Laione Tae Iloa, and a trophy donated by PTA. All goes to Eriki Laume of Fuamotu Tongatapu, Kotua Hapai. Best progress student in Form 5 level goes to Tani Latu Lala of Pangai Hafeva Hapai, recited at Atele. It's a trophy donated by PTA. In Form 6 level, top in English, $100 cash prize donated by William Sisfa and Kiwi Tonga Limited. A cash prize of $100. Top in history is a cash prize of $100 from Pensimani Epenisa Fifita and family, both with trophy donated by PTA. Goes to Fangapilo Levu Tongatapu, Amanaki Kuritapa Taulahi. Top in mathematics, top in physics, trophy donated by PTA. Top in design technology is a full tuition fees donated by Tevita Palu and Palu Aviation. Top in computing and ICT, trophy donated by PTA. All the way to Tuaneki Vale Vava'u, Tafahi Niwa Tongatapu, Umusi Tongatapu, Filippo Parefau Junior Fraus. Top in geography is a cash prize of $100, compliments of Pensimani Epenisa Fifita and family, goes to Hihifo Tongaleleka Hapai, Tefisi Vaimalo Vava'u, Tufuvai Eua Tofoa Tongatapu, Mo'ungahea Koloa Helotu Ligeriki. Top in accounting, trophy donated by PTA, Niwafe Takai of Nitoa, Maufanga, Tofoa, Folaha, Tongatapu. Top in economics is a trophy donated by PTA, DJ Liwakikovi Kailua Fatai, Tanea Vava'u, Maufanga, Tongatapu. Top in agricultural science is a trophy donated by BTA, goes to Fakanga Sailosi Fifita of Nukunuku, Baini, Tongatapu. Top in biology is a trophy donated by PTA. It's presented to Siaki Ofakimoana Roy Tuyono Liava, a junior Masalu of Kolofo'o, Kolomotua, Tongatapu. Top in Japanese language, a trophy donated by PTA. Sione Loketi Folau Taufo'o, Petani Niwafo'o, Pangaimotu Vava'u, Popua, Tongatapu. Top in music, another trophy by PTA. Vilitonu Amanaki Lelei Foheila of Hatafu, Tongatapu. Tonga Moyanga Fafonua, a trophy donated by PTA, all the way to Leimatua, Ovaka Vava'u, Fungamana Moui, Atele, Haloesi, Junior Lemani. Top in Lea Whakatonga, trophy donated by PTA, presented to Taufa, Ula Moleka Moala, Taunga, Leimatua Vava'u, Tofoa, Tongatapu. In development studies, is a trophy donated by PTA, all the way to Manuka Tongatapu, Felemea Hapai, Mataika, Tanea, Oloua Vava'u, Siosaya, Junior, Manakofua. Class position for Form 6 level. Form 6 age. Third position, Raymond Tan Vavaso Akaola, from Kolovai, Tongatapu, Faleloa Hapai, Hateiho Tongatapu is a trophy donated by PTA. Second place, Vaini Koloselu of Lofanga Hapai, Mataika Vava'u, Ngeleia, Pea, Tongatapu. Again, is a trophy donated by PTA. The first position for Form 6H goes to Haloesi Junior Leimani of Leimatua of Vakavava'u, Fungamanamoui, Atele. Form 6I, third place, Siaki of Akimoana, Roy Tuyonoliava, a Junior Masalu of Kolofo'ou, Kolomotua, Tongatapu. Second place, Moungahea, Koloa Helotu Likiliki, Hihifo, Tongoleleka Hapai, Tefisi, Vaimalo Vava'u, Tufuvai, Eua, Tofoa, Tongatapu. First place in Form 6I, all the way to Tuanegivale Vava'u, Tafahi Niwa Tongatapu, Umusi, Tongatapu, Filippo Palefau, Junior Frausi. Form 6J, third place, Niwafe Takai of Nitoa, Maufanga, Tofoa, Folaha, Tongatapu. It's a trophy donated by PTA. Second place, Andrew Harris Ronmore Jr. Lausi of Tofoa, Tongatapu, Tefisi Vava'u, Fataulua Niwa for all. Is a trophy donated by PTA. First place in Form 6J, all the way to Nukunuku, Veitongo, Masilamea, Tongatapu, Felemea Hapai, Opesi, Soakai, Tuifangaloka, is a trophy compliments of PTA. The top 3 positions in Form 6 level. Third place, to Siaki Ofaki Moana, Roy to Yonoliava, a Junior Masalu of Kolofo'ou, Kolomotua, Tongatapu, is a trophy donated by PTA. Second place is a cash prize of $50 donated by William Sisfa and Kiwi Tonga Limited, and a trophy donated by PTA is awarded to Mo'ongahea Kolohelo Tulikiliki of Hihifo, Tongolele Kahapai, Tefisi, Vaimalo, Vava'u, Tufubai, Eua, Tofoa, Tongatapu. And the first position for Form 6 level is $100 cash prize donated by Kiwi, Tonga Limited and William Sisfa. Another $100 donated by Talayone Tailoa, and a trophy donated by PTA. All the way to Tuanegivale Vava'u, Tafahi Niwa Tongatapu, Omusi Tongatapu, Filippo Palefau, Junior Fraus. Best progress student in Form 6 level is Alifeleti Tufau Takataka from Pangai Hapai. Utui Vava'u, Homa Tongatapu, is a trophy donated by PTA. In Form 7 level, top in English is a cash prize of $100 donated by William Sisfa and Kiwi Tonga Limited. Cash prize of $100 donated by Mrs. Talaifina Punyani Vaya, the English teacher. Top in history is a cash prize of $100 from Pensimani Epenisa Fifita and family. And another cash prize of $100 from Mrs. Elizabeth Vao Fifita, the history teacher, both accompanied by trophies donated by PTA, is presented to Viliami Alipate Tukia of Ohonua Ewa, Ovaka Tuanegvale, Neyafu Vava'u, Amaile Kolofo'ou, Tongatapu. And again, he also won top in information technology, computing and ICT. Top Maths with Statistics is $100 donated by William Sisfa and Kiwi Tonga Limited, and a trophy donated by PTA. Top in accounting, top in economics, top in tourism and hospitality, all accompanied by trophy donated by PTA, all the way to Amaile, Fasmoyafia Tungi, Tongatapu, Talau Vavau, Havelu Loto Tongatapu, William Unga Soafa, Mapa Kaitolo. Top in biology, Famole pe tamasit, Pilinis Tungi, Kaulawa tu pe ai whakalea o pare koini. It is an annual award of 1,000 cash prize and a trophy and a 6 pounds kapapulu for the top student in Form 7 biology. Koi Framanatu o Fangmanalatu Junior na iloa pe ko pe. Koi tumutumu e ofani, koi fiafia no ape i eliak moui ne fai e fohani. Hena e hoko pe ko listonga koi konga ene moui, i tua, i fale, i lokiako, i mala e sipoti, pe atoi ko listutuku mo mate matonga mo oni. Aki pe ne ngā ue mate aki mo ofali oa he apini. Ofalahi atuia pepe, pe ame ho whanau, Matelita Moala Latu, William Latu, George and Victor Latu, me haano hapai, te fisi, halamanga ono, le matua vavau, and it's all accompanied by trophy donated by PTA. Again, top in chemistry is a trophy and a cash prize of $200 donated by Paula de Mohenga, the top chemistry student in Tonga in 2014. And top in geography is a cash prize of $100 from Pensimani Epenisa Fifita and family, a former teacher and senior tutor of Tonga College, People's Representative to Parliament of Tongatapu 9, and also a former Minister of Education and Training, is presented to Semisi Taufa of Hateiho Tongatapu, Matuku, Hafeva, Tumua Hapai, Tuanekivale, Ofu, Bavau. Top in biology, top in chemistry, top in geography. Tonga Moyanga Fafonua is a trophy donated by PTA. Ko lea whakatonga, ko pāngai te au, mea o whaia ai whaiako lea whakatonga, havea liutolo peki. Tamoi ipu ai PTA, all the way to Magapai o Tongatapu, Tonga mama o ewa, no muka hapai, vahe whanua, mawahe ai lotu malai fo o tupola. Top in physics is a cash prize of $200 donated by Palu Vulasete Mohenga, a Ducks of Tonga High School in 2015, as well as top in physics in Tonga in 2015, goes all the way to Falevai Vavau, Kolovai Tongatapu, Solomone, Hala Api Api, Fonohema. Mathematics with calculus is a cash prize of $100 donated by Vainga Palu and a trophy donated by PTA. Launga Niutei of Hofoa Tongatapu, Longomapu Vavau, Muitoa Haano Feremea Mongaone Hapai, and Kioa, Fiji. Top in music is a trophy donated by PTA. It's presented to Paul Chris Tavaken Saunamoa of Te Kiu Fuamotu, Kolomotua Tongatapu, Hunga Vavau. Top in agricultural science is an annual award of 1,000 cash and a trophy plus a 6 pounds pulumokau for the top student in Form 7 Agricultural Science in 2019. Katak famole pe tamapilinis. Kaula watu pe. Koe paleni o kfoa ki Fakafeta'i mo manat ofa mooni ki Kolisi tutuku ka koe pureako malolo o Kolisi ko fang mana Latu. Na uak kfoa ki paleni e tahive hiva lolo Tonga o Palestini a fang mana i PTA. Koe tawa kieni e wanoa hoko no foa ki o paleni. Pea ko lave monuai ai whanau tolahi e whainga marien. Koe ofa atuia mea Matelita Moala Latu, Viliami Latu, George and Victor Latu, me halamanga ono le matu a vavau is presented to Simone Kaluseti Helu of Lofanga Hapai, Mataika Vavau, Ngereia, Pea, Tongatapu. The class position for Form 7 level. Form 7H, third place is a trophy donated by PTA. Is awarded to Williami Unga Soafa Mapakaitolo of Amaile Fasmoyafia Tungi, Talau Vavau Havelu Loto Tongatapu. Second place is a trophy donated by PTA, is awarded to Semisi Taufa of Hateiho Tongatapu, Matuku, Hafeva, Tungua Hapai, Tuanekivale, Ofu, Vavau. First place in Form 7H is a trophy donated by PTA, all the way to Ohonua Ewa, Ovaka, Tuanekivale, Neyafu, Vavau, Amaile, Kolofo, Tongatapu, Viliami, Aripate, Tukia. For Form 7I, third place is a trophy donated by PTA, all the way to Lofanga Hapai, Mataika Vavau, Ngeleia, Pea, Tongatapu, Simone, Kaluseti, Selu. Second place is a trophy donated by PTA, all the way to Kioa, Fiji, Hofoa, Tongatapu, Longomapu, Vavau, Muitoa, Haano, Feremea, Monga, Nehapai, Launga, Niute. And the first place for Form 7I is a trophy donated by PTA, is awarded to Vahefonua, Mavahe Ailotu, Malaifo, Tupola, of Makapae o Tongatapu, Tonga Mama o Ewa no Muka Hapai. May I now call out the prize for the third position in Form 7 level. Third place in Form 7 level is a cash prize of $200, compliments of Kiwi Tonga Limited and Viliami Sisfa, accompanied by a trophy donated by PTA, is presented all the way to Hateiho Tongatapu, Matuku, Hafeva, Tungua Hapai, Tuanekivale, Ofu Vavau, to Semisi Taufa. Third place in Form 7 level is presented to Semisi Taufa of Hateiho, Matuku, Hafeva, Tungua Hapai, Tuanekivale, Ofu Vavau. And the last prize we're going to present this time is the Best Progress Student for Form 7 level. Best Progress Student for Form 7 level is a cash prize of $100 donated by Talayone Tailoa, accompanied by a trophy donated by PTA. Goes all the way to Kioa, Fiji, Hofoa, Tongatapu, Haano, Feremea, Hapai, Longomapu, Vavau, to Launga, Niute. best progress student and Form 7 level is presented to Launga Niu Te of Hofoa Tongatapu, Kioa, Fiji. Whamalo atu tamapilinis, koe lava ia, ai konga noua.
Serene Highness, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, let us now hear again another school item. This time, the title of the number that is to be performed by the band is called Bromwin, which is a piece composed by John R. Carr. Here they are, the school brass band with the item Bromwin. Malo. And now, Your Serene Highness and ladies and gentlemen, the moment that a lot of us have been waiting for, the awards of special top prizes for Tonga College for 2019. May I please invite the Acting Deputy Principal again, Mrs. Daisia Ma'u, to please come forward and announce these special awards.
Your Serene Highness, Prince Tungi, distinguished guests and ladies and gentlemen. Before we proceed to the presentation of the most prestigious awards, may I humbly ask and invite Your Highness to please present these certificates of recognition from the Honorable Minister of Education and Training, Honorable Siausi Ofagiva Folau Sovaleni, and the Ministry of Education and Training, to our Chinese teachers who have been working with us this year under the Chinese Education Aid Program, pioneering the first Chinese language subject and the teaching of vegetable growing in agricultural science. Your Serene Highness, here are the teachers. Professor Yen Yen Tui. Professor Hui Chi. Dr. Jian Jun Kang. Dr. Lei Sheng. I will now proceed on to announce the most prestigious and top academic awards for Tonga College for 2019. First award is His Majesty King Tupo VI Prize for Best Student in Music. This prize is awarded with a cash prize of $2,000. And the best student in music, to whom His Majesty's award is presented to, goes all the way to Te Kiu, Fuamotu, Kolomotua, Tongatapu, Funga Babau, Paul, Chris, Tamakeni Sau, Namoa. The Best All-Round Student, or the Overall Student of the Year Award for 2019. The Best All-Round Student of the Year is awarded to the student who demonstrates quality participation and responsibility both in the classroom and in all facets of the school. And this prize is awarded with the continuous generous donation and sponsor of $1,000 donated by the Tonga College All Boys Association, $500 donated by the President of the Constitutional Church, Reverend Kintoni Mafi, the best all-round student of Tonga College in 1979, and a trophy together with a flower bouquet donated by the PTA, goes all the way to Taua Vava'u o Honua Ewa Ha'ano Pukotala Hapai Nukunuku Funga Manamowi Tongatapu, none other but Mafi Toki Manamowi, Peleti Panawi Fo'ou Likitui Halatoafa. Best All-Round Student, or the Overall Student of the Year Award for 2019 is awarded to none other but Mafi Toki Manamowi, Feleti Falawi Fo'ou Likitui Halatoafa of Taua Vava'u Honua Ewa Ha'ano Pukotala Hapai Nukunuku Funga Manamowi Tongatapu. The Proximi Exercit of Tonga College for 2019, and it's the second place in the Form 7 level. This prize is awarded with a cash prize of $1,000 donated by Tonga Power Limited, a trophy donated by Tanela Vaitohi, class of 1968, and Vaitohi Enterprises, a trophy and a flower bouquet donated by the PTA. And the Proximi Exercit for Tonga College in 2019 is awarded to Vaifonua Mavahe Alotu Malaifo Tupola of Makapaeo Tongatapu Tongamamao Ewa Nomuka Habai. Proximi Exercit for Tonga College 2019 is a cash prize of $1,000 donated by Tonga Power Limited, a trophy donated by Tanela Vaitohi and Vaitohi Enterprises, and a flower bouquet and a trophy donated by PTA is presented to Vahefonua Mavahe Ailotu Malaifo'ou Tupola of Makapaeo, Tongatapu, Tonga Mamao Eua, Nomuka Hapai. Give him another round of applause. And the last prize is the ducks of Tonga College for 2019. Before I announce this prize, I would like to ask the staff of Tonga College to please be upstanding for the announcements of the ducks for 2019. The ducks is presented with a cash prize of $1,000 donated by the Tonga College All Boys Association. A cash prize of $1,000 donated by the Kaulaione Tailoa. A cash prize of $1,000 donated by Mr. Vilai Ilolahia and the Ilolahia family in commemoration of the 125th anniversary of the Ilolahia title, which was bestowed by Tupou II to Kelepi Ilolahia of Masilamea Tongatapu, an ex-student and the Ducks of Tonga College in 1894. A trophy donated by Daniela Vaitohi, class of 1968, and the Vaitohi Enterprises, and also a trophy and flower bouquet donated by the PTA. And the Ducks for Tonga College for 2019 goes all the way to Ohonua Ewa, Ovaka, Tanaki Vale, Neyafu Babau, Amaile Kolofo, Tongatapu, Viliami, Alipate, Tukia. The Ducks of Tonga College for 2019. Viliami, Alipate, Tukia of Ohonua Ewa, Ovaka, Tanaki Vale, Neyafu Babau, Amaile, Kolofo, Tongatapu. Tonga College, another round of applause to the Ducks of Tonga College for 2019. Whamaloa tu tamapilis tungi koe lava ia ai whoaki o ngai pale ke tāna tuunga o i wanoa tahiwa.
Your Serene Highness, Prince Tungi, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, may I please ask that you all put our hands together now and welcome the Ducks for 2019, Viliami Alipate Tukia, to present his honorable speech.
Tap ke hawhia o tua taurotoro Tonga. Tap ke whahawhangangangi, tama ko pinis Tungi. O kukore, ke whakmalmalu at mo, he whatap kakato ne kamata ke katoangan. Ka tā ke whamonue koroa, ko tai maari ai, he maalari o ahoni. God is good all the time. It's been only a total of 2 years here in Tonga College for me. And overall, I have to say that it's been the best 2 years of my life. Coming last year was one of the challenges I faced in terms of entering a new study environment. It was a new setting for me compared to the previous school I had been in. I had to adapt to this new setting in order to learn and understand the nature and school culture of Tonga College, Atele. This for me was a life experience. A new step in life for me as a student. The new atmosphere of Tonga College I entered urged me as a student to prioritize the things that were important to me in terms of my studies and my attitude. Participating in both indoor and outdoor school activities was new for me, such as going to the bush on Wednesdays and having combined school lunches. Discipline in Tonga College is strong in a way of true valuing and respect towards staff and prefects of the school. I had seen, learned, and understand what it meant to be respectful and to be disciplined by not only the staff and teachers, but also by my fellow brothers in class. And this year, I was honored by the school in which I was given the role of a prefect. Being a prefect was one of the hardest roles given to me in terms of being a role model for teachers and to students. I have learned that this role requires integrity and honesty, in which it was sometimes difficult for me to carry out my duties as a prefect. Throughout this year's journey, it has been an honor to become a prefect in Tonga College and to have the trust of the principal and staff members in taking the prefect role. Participating in sports was another activity I had taken part in, and I'm proud of it. Coming to Tonga College had encouraged me to build up and develop my passion for football, because soccer. I took part to represent the Tonga College football team that participated in the inter-college competition, in which we ended up 4th place last year. But this year was a huge success to us in winning this year's inter-college football under-19 boys tournament. Another was being picked for Nationals under-19 football team last year, in which we were the victors of the tournament we went to. Last year was a great start for me to have a boost towards 2019 and its new challenges. This year for me was all about sacrificing and making important decisions in my life. I had come up a situation where I had to choose between my studies and my passion for football. It was a hard and difficult situation for me to hang my football boots, in which I decided not to play for Tongan football nationals this year, as it would affect my studies. This was a huge sacrifice for me because of my passion and love for this sport. But today, I truly believe that the choices I've made has been in God's plan to shape me to the person I am currently in now. God has shown me that despite the hard moments and decisions we make or experience in life, He has a plan for you and me. And it is also important to keep in mind that those plans are only for good and not for bad. All in all, my time in Tonga College is coming to an end, and I am proud to say that I am grateful to be a Tonga College ex-student. To the principal, deputy, and all the staff, and to my fellow brothers, thank you for the memories we shared together, and thank you for everything. To all my families, thank you so much for all the support and prayers. And a special thanks to my grandfather, Mosese Whakawa, an ex-student of Tonga College, for your prayers and words of encouragement. This victory would not be possible without you, your support and your prayers. Ofati he tō tāko tō ape, whamalo atu he pūpū, me tokoni o mō whai māku, pehege lotu, me huwhia, o ikuna e whinga hako koini. Pau tau whafoki, a kororia, me langlangi, kia tua tō tāpea. Isa, whunga mana maui, me Kolisi Tonga, ko siu tatau e, sio torei ko te kawa, tua ofa e ki atu.
Congratulations again. Latu, ki hala whanonga, o tau whaonga. Your Serene Highness, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, our next item will be performed yet again by the brass band. This time, they're going to perform the number entitled Napoli, which was arranged by Andrew Olson. Now, Ladies and gentlemen, may I now take this opportunity to humbly invite the guest of honor for today's prize-giving ceremony, Your Serene Highness, Prince Tungi, to please grace this gathering with your keynote address.
Tap moe afio ai tau tai o tua o tau o tolo tonga. Tapa mo tua ono ko e hau o tonga. Tapa moe tahine kuina spau me whare o hamu ofu. Tapa moe hoi ko e whanua. Tapa bo maf toki mana mo ui mo amata apure. Awa whake whakatapuni pe tala mo ka apui. Ka hufanga he tala maru e whanua, ka whakamonu e koloa ko tō mo oku he kātoangan. Tau Fakafeta'i ke eki ko kapteni, he ene uri fohe hao, he wafo lau o e tauni, pe tau la kai ai he ngai pore, pe neongo e ngahe kau peau ne heka ki e waka, mo ngahe whakaiwah, ne ikai tu he kina ai e fohe, na e tonu ke tau tawhia ai e vai, ka kuo tau lusia ki taulanga e aoni, he nai nei waka pe. O kou fie lahi ho mou loto lelei, ke o tautou kau mai ke kātoanga mau ingan, pe koe whakakoloa ia kia te au. Koe kātoanga mau inga ini, he tau kotoa, kia ki motoa whanau, a kololotonga. Koe hiwa ko e ai tangata o tōkanga, koe aha o e whakatae te,
Pe ko hai tene mau e pare mone lau ai puna ke koe maa e mau he kakawa pe. O ku whakamahu inga ia aoni ai toa kakawa, whakaongosia, whiekaia, mokosia, tawa ngofua mo ngawe oski velenga I loki ako. Mara e spoti, pe ko hatapa pe o mo ui na e teu I hako anga. Ko aho ia o e ututau. He ka lelei pe e te tenga, e lelei pe hono fua. Pe ka kovi pe ai ngawe, te kai pe anunua. Ko aho eni ne whai ki ai e tau whakaongosia. Pe au whakamooni ki ai ai whainga ne mau pare he aoni. Ko ke laka whi tangata, he ku ola amerie ai ngawe. Ka koe whanau na I kai whakahoko lerei ai whinga na e whai. O toku mooni ai lea o taka ho tau whanua. Lava e toka ka koe e tue. Ko tānoa koe ki hono utu e vai a tamare. O ki kai hasio ki a loto vai. Pe o ku hau kawha e hohoni. O tuku hifo ki he loto vai. Pe whakaongo ai ki e mawhao e kawha. Pe mahino ia o ku whono e hohoni. Ui ai ko e vai ko whakalongo ki kawha. Whanau ako, ko ki mautolo e ngahe fo I nge se hohoni ne tuku mai e he kautau whanau. Kolo mo sias, ke whakawhonu atu me he Kolisi, pe whakaongo mai ki he ane whonu. O ko amanaki mai e kautau whanau, kau Kolisi tutuku, whonua, ki halelei, te ke whakawhonu ange, ke langa aki ai ngawe. Whakauria, ka pao ko whonu e hohoni ia, ha whakakina, he ke, he leangata, ke kina ia ai ai kāinga. Me ani ko ho hu mai ke Kolisi e tau e ni e whiha. O te eki haki lelei te ke mau mi heni. Ka mata lewa hano tokonaki. Haki lelei ke whoke moia ke nasi ai ai whamiri. He o kui kai langa ha whamiri mo whonua I he ke mo leangata. Ko tau whatongia ia ke langa whonua. Pea langa he ngawe lelei mo melino. He mau lewa ke ngawe aonga ki ho tau taimi. Ke whakawhonu haki lelei ki tau whoki moia. Whakamonu ia atu ki mautolo ne mau pare hea honi. Hoko atu pe ngawe lelei ko ia. Ko ki mautolo na I kai mau pahanga pare. Whinga he tawhaake o ke malawa. Ke tau kawai he lau he tau whou. Ko tutuko e ako he tau ni te mo whoke atu ki society. Manatui, ko whoi hohoni ki mautolo e utu me he mana mo ui. Pe oa na ngalo ke mo laka o tau mo hau kawha mo he Koristonga. Ke whakahoko whatongia lelei, he whamiri, sias, pe mo whanua. Tal monu atu he hala whanonga o mo whiri ki he kahau. O ai ngata heni, kai hoko atu ai whinga, lorotonga mo ke mau taimi. Ke mo hoko kotoa, ko ngahi mana o kumo ui. Ke langa haki, ai tau whanua. Kai ai hata wau sia whakamanatua hifo ake merino, whakatawangi, ke mo mau, haki smasfifia, mo tau fo fonu keresia. Malo.
Tapu. Ye tua I lang tapotu. Ko ene merino I mamani. Ki kakai ulot lelei. Fatapot bowono ko tuia Tonga. Taine kuini nas pau tua mo fare ha mo ofu. Fatamo fa lang fa historiani. Tama ko Tungi. Ko Peninis of anga ko Kolisi Tonga. Ka ko lau ka anga ko Kolisi tuku I Tonga. Pa he kolope foki. Mafto ki Moimoi. O mi mo fua. Ke whahoko atu ai whatongiani, pia ke hufanga e tau kato e whanua mo lotu, ai ne kamataki e tau kato anga malari ki ahoni. Tama Peninis Tungi. O Fakafeta'i maupea e Kolisi, I o whamea mai, ke whamanatua e mai moaola ha moiofo, o tai maria ia Tonga, me mua, o au mai ki eni kuonga. Me uaki whaa, I ono whakaola I konga koula ko ni I tā valua ki atupo ua ko I fufua tax o Kolisi I tāna tonga tā valu hiva. Pe ke whi tōna,
ko e ki lahi. Pa ko Palestine ko tuku I Tonga pe mo Morina. Neongo ko mea mai peki api. Ka fia. Ko tala ia folfola. Ko foi tu o ke te koloa e ai mau pe toloto. Ko feitu nia o ikuna. O ka mafi o tau fonua. Ko feitu o ka toa. Pe o kia eiki ofa ne mate matonga. Io. Te taulata mau peki tau rolo ai. Fa malo atu. Pe malo e mau koloa. O gulangi ia pe pata I Latu e puri ako kau tiuta matua pa mai whanau he ko koloa ia e aho I o mea mai. Tamasi perinisi o mau loto lahi. Pe o mau fia ke mau tariangi ke ha koloa pe tomi whare o hamo e o fo. Me feituna mo he oika whanua. Pe me purianga o Tonga he ko tau tala ia. Ki tau ngawe e purianga pe tau mate matonga. Ko matawai ni ke siasi mo e purianga. Ko tala ia punake. Io ni talu e tupu atongani ko ni bea matawai. Ke siasi mo e puriangani. Pe kade ikai ni ia. Pe fe o tau kongani. Whapapalahi mo Fakafeta'i ke whare o hamo e o fo. Ingai pare panga whakatau ko tai maria e whanau e musika. Fakafeta'i mau koloa. Whamaro ke pure ako kau tiuta mo e whanau he ngawalahi. Pe aola e tau koeni. Neongo ne mahino e lahi o ngahi pore o tau ni. O matunga me itatula. Ngahi pore a takai. Ka ngai tuku e waka ka whaiha kakau. Ko tau lusia ki tau langa. Ko hifo e wholau ki uta. Tako norea ko e ekipe. Ko to taimire vaeni pure ako mo kau tiuta. Ki whaha no wakai ho tau waka mono ka pasa wholau. Nau ko wai ha mama pe ngā vai. Pe whai ha saupulu ki mua pa te toho ki tahi I e wanoa. Ko e taime e tanu maki whakalau maarie te ria e wholau e tau whoou ke toi whaila te uri ngā holo ange. Ta ke tākanga mau pe whoki ho mufohe he puria a mui mo hala whanonga. Whamalofo ke tokon Palestine lahi ka Palestine ngai wa ke ka boi tau ke I tongani pa momorina hoi ko sutuku ono kotoa I tau tu tafaki mo tu karikari o tokonia e tau whanau I sipoti I ako lotu mo ngahi pare ka mai ngahi palani whakalakalaka ke ni lawenga monua e pure ako ka mo tau apini whamalofo ke ngai scholarship totongi ako I ngahi whenga maari whakasipoti ko atamai mai kau muiaki whamalo ke Palestine o PTA mo ni komiti Kau mai kotoa I mātua tai whanau I wari atama mo whepopo waki ko hui ko whemau a kahau o klerei mai tau whanau. Neongo ko tau whatongia to tōn peke whahoko. Ka ne mahino ka pau ne ikai o mautokoni e ke ikuna pe whiri he kune takawhi maupe. Whamalau lahi ke ngahi trophy ne whailonga aki e kau ikuna ahoni. Whatawange e ke hoko atu e tau ngawe e siarat wholau ko hui ko anoiha he koe tau rotu ia halerei matonga manakoa. Whamalo ki a whaiwhikau muha lotu, I ono kei tokonia whakalau maarie mo ono kei tanumaki e whanau I lotu lelei au tau eiki. Neongo e tau humu mo e tōnou nou, kau tau kei tua merie pe ki ngahi keres whaifio o tau eiki e hulu pe au pe atu I mea au tau malawa. Whamalo ke ngai kuwhi kawaki ko toa pe I he poupou I ako naki I tokon whapanga. I vai mai ho mo ilo mo mo tau kei. I lotu mai api ako I ofa na lava e pure ako mo kau tiuta ka mai whanau I tau mo poreni. Patawange ke whaki velangi pe ke whafon ho mo ngahi ayanga mea ke whonu mahu hua pe ke tawhisi noi vai o ini vai loa ola e Kolisi pe a botonga whoki. Koe tutuku lau mea e mea tungi koe whaflangilangi o aho. Koe maa e mau pe I e kakawa, tō e kakawa. Koe whakaamu ke whonu at me apini. Koe hui, koe ngahi whatongia ke atu pōmuho eiki, pe ke tau ilo, ko tau ngahi whatongia. Koe tutuku lau mea e hamo ofo, kono whakatu o whare mamani mai tonga kotoa. Pe ne tutu mea e ngahi mamalahi ko mamaloa I a tongani. Koe tutuku lau mea e toinga ho eku stuku, o kei whakatau tau aki, I malai pe mo ui, I sipoti I hako, mo ui, I tahi, I uta, I he wawa, I lolfonua, I hen pe I hena, pe namo he vani. Puriako, mo kau tiuta. Koe haha mo tukutuku lau mea ke whanau ke nā muiaki hiri e ahoni. Whanau, koe haha tukutuku lau mea mai kahau o e apini. Koe tukutuku lau mea e o e tuku mua e ahoni. Sacrifice and make the right decision. Whanau, nai kai ha tukutuku lau mea e apini koe tau kumi uhinga ke whaton huia ki ho mātua. Pē ki a ki nautolo o klahi a ki tā. Pē ki ho kau taki, pē ki hau eiki. Pegi o kau whewhikau. Tamasi Prince Tungi, tupe mua ke whafongai atu a ek minister o ako me ako ngawe, ona po siaos ofa ke wafolau sovareni, ofisa pule ngawe Dr. Tankini Moimoi Steen, tangata ik pule ako no kau tiuta, hoi ko sutuku ngai madu at whanau, ngai maheni, ngai kau ngā mea, mo toi ngai whanau hapopoaki, ofa, mo whakaamu. Ke tau maringi mai ne keresi mai feitona. Pe ke hoko na whamanatua no aloi o tamasi ke whakauhu mai ai ne merino mo ngahi tāpuaki. Pe ke tau kau ngā mau angahi aho Christmas fia mo monu ia. Pe ka tau kalaka ia ai tau fo'ou ofa ke whafo'ou ai ho tau iwi poto moi ofa ko hui ko ngahi whatongia o wha moi mei ulu. Whakapa tua whaiket.
Malo atu kia soani se lui, pe mihe pangaya ko I whahoko Atele for malo o awani. We now come to the last part of the program for this morning, ladies and gentlemen. The last hymn will be spelled out by the Ducks for the Tonga College in 2019, Williami Alpate Tukia, followed by the benediction by the school chaplain, Reverend Daniela Moua, and then followed by the national anthem to be conducted by the school brass band. Malo.
The last hymn for our Tonga College Atele graduation program is taken from hymn 48. May I ask you to please all arise. Lord, dismiss us with thy blessings. Thanks for mercies past received. Pardon all their fault confessing. Time that's lost may all retrieve. May thy children never again thy spirit grieve. Last verse. Let thy Father's hand be shielding all who here shall meet no more. May their seed time past be yielding year by year a richer store. Those returning, make more faithful than before.
Tāpua ki mai ki mōtolo e Sihova mo ne tauhi. Ke whaolo mai e si hova no fofonga ke te ki mōtoro pe moe ni ngahi alo ofa. Ke hangai fofonga mai e si hova ke te ki mōtoro pe ke ne o atua e merino. O ko atu e tāpua ke atua mawhi ko e tamai. Pea moe alo. Pea moe lau maari e maoni oni. E ia te ki tau tolu ko toa pe ia. O tangata. Amen. Amen.
Tanaki ko ya Kristoa ki wono atahiwa ni weni mo ba kai ko ta tu ki mo ko ya apa ko wono atahiwa me o lua waka tonekwari amaile ko fo mo ngai ko briami aripate tukia fo fo ngatu aka mo wa ba fitu ko ni ma i fal mo ko spot ko e dole pa ta wanga ka wa ha ka to nga fifi ko ni bonga to a fota le butu fuwa ko sa so waka mo mea
Kada kuma peru na ke hela pai ki tau o, i e sika ka ke to hela ki walo, ke to tongi ai a ko, ka ke to e lao mai. O ia ko whaku whamanaki pene whakamaki ka pene i kalahi, i e sika. Pēi pēi whakamira a kake, si ngai mātua, koe o kai ai ki māke ai whānau a kō pēi. Koe kumala ake, ulau te ka ke muahu tuku kumala koe a. Koe whānau pēi nau wahu iai, ai ai te kano mātuku, anu meri, moe, kōra au kitoa. Koe ni mai a o mō whānau o nau wiwi, o no wiwa, a pau e tuku, o mautuku mautoru, e tunga ia i uke kaharu, o disepa. O mautaki mai a o mai tuahe, maa au pito, pire mila, pāna pe o fu. E ke au mō kai wake kisimasi ke toe. Kono whākatoa, ka māoa tungai mātua, ngā ki tokoni ko toa pe, tapa pai o mea ko toa pe. Teu, whaki fui papanaki, katongi ake, kai ki koe kapatala, o mō tokoni ngahi mai te mautu, kau ngā ue, kau ngā whanau, lawa e ka whatongi ake. Ka kolo au pi, mako ngā whae, ngā tapai, ni maola, te whani mamaka me ngā whatongi ake. Kuke me kai o maani oni, whanawa, mana kuku toi tau ki whatongi ake. Koe tau ki, mana kuku tau shea ni, ai a pia ko pālu mataki ko mai ni ko mai ko Tanaki ko au. Au tama kone na tau ka mōni koe ke spāte ni, ke whakata ko tau whatongi ake, e au me, o te ke tōronga au ka ke lawa me au māpatu tō kasi, e wāi me. Mana kuku, ko tau spāte koe ni au te pāmai, o te ke whakata ko te au te reo, o te ngā mo. Apa yang kita makan, fakar kita kemudian apa kita pada pulang, kata penamaan, kalau itu baru.
Maluan kenapa kita kalau ada curai aku begitu mana jago aku kira mahal dari lain motor motor beda dia buat pare paan pada tupe ko ini hal mesti ya sopo de moto e mali bete bide ko ini ke amo oni bete me pasa ma se aku le mo se ya por itu beda lagi soal lain ngana se dia na casa hal beda mau Tanaki mai mereka hakahoa, peko kasisi, di ane-ane oa, di ane-ane Kolisi. Mahalo ka pia pia ako ka ripoti ko tolo ko tipu ko fa o ki fa o mai ni kalake o ko ki le mai no pa ki mai ni misi ako kore le ka pauri ki ku pa pa kage lava mawa to ripoti mai kalas ko ya ako o fa pito o ke mai ni api Poki mai a pompong, ko mulu, ko mamawa di Kolisi, mawa ko di Kolisi, pakai poki a sepuluh. Mahalo ka ni ame, pamalo ko pelo ko ka na ebe ko faamo na poki, pababe mai be ka tuani, dia ai ko tuani se. Mahalo ko la
Ai, o pô, ganho, ai, animal. Ai, não.